Hey, what's up guys, it's Dom from Hole Printing Inc. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to take a simple photo, bring it into Photoshop, and then bring it into your actual RIP software right before your print. So basically, how do you take a photo and print it? So guys, I know when you start off, especially, it can feel a lot overwhelming. Right now I'm going to be showing you guys outside a real example of taking a simple photo and then printing it. So I'm just gonna take my phone right here, camera, take a simple photo of the grass, let's say. After the photo is taken, you can proceed to the next step. For this example, I'm gonna show you a few ways to do it. Let's say you don't have access to Photoshop. The first thing you wanna do is when you have your phone like this, is you wanna click right here on the bottom. You would like to send yourself this photo on Google Drive. As you can see right here, Drive. So we're gonna upload it to our email. Upload. Now this is gonna take a bit of time. While this is loading, the next step is going to be to go on your computer. After you open up Google, you want to type, you see this, you want to type this. After that, you want to open up Cloud Converter right here. After it's on the actual Google Drive, you want to open up Drive on your actual computer. Next step I want you guys to do, I want you guys to click up here. There's a video giving you guys the actual PSD to be able to do your DTF page setup. I'm gonna open up the actual page setup right now, but if you guys haven't had the page setup already, I strongly suggest you guys go get it. It's a free download link. I don't even ask for your email. So you can change the background any color you like. In my case, I'll just put white. I'll also put the guides. The guide should be there for you guys. To put guides, I just do view, new guide, and then 50% vertical and horizontal. 50%, as so. And it puts my other guide. So once the file is finished uploading, the next step is going to be to take your file, hit download, and then go to the converter I was talking about. So once the file is right here on the bottom, you want to go to the converter right here, and you just want to drag and drop your file. So just grab the file like this, and drop like this, and click convert. Should be already set to PNG. Now wait for the files to upload, and then you'll be able to re-download the file. Alright guys, after the image is done uploading, you can download it. Once it's done downloading, I want you guys to just click the little square and then drag and drop the photo on the actual desktop right here. This is the file you guys want to print. Remember guys, it was previously on your telephone. It was pretty cool having it here. So once you have this file, you can do this, go on your actual RIP software, file open, and we'll just open up the file right now. So guys, this is how it looks. Okay, sorry for the angle, I'm filming this alone. What I'm going to be doing guys is just sizing down the actual logo, and I'm bringing it up. So sizing down, I grab it and I bring it back up. I size it down, bring it back up. Now I could print something like this guys. You see, we didn't even have to put it into Photoshop. This is really neat. First thing, you need to mirror. So now it's printable. These are my settings. Have a full-on course guys. Skillshare class, link in description. My Skillshare class will always be linked in description. It's basically how to take your DTF printer from the crate where it comes in and basically make a full-on print. So I cover the settings, but I'll just show you guys really quickly. These are my settings, just the stock one. But I go over all of this and more and how to properly print your first DTF sheet, because I know it can be very, very overwhelming when one's starting out. So now my sheet is mirrored, file print, color plus white, copy one, the usual color plus white, and then print. And I'll just show you guys in Photoshop what we would have done. So you just take your image, drag it into Photoshop, or you can also do file open, but I like to just drag and drop like this. And as you guys can see, what I would like to do is just size it down a bit so we don't lose that little watermark at the bottom, because as I told you guys, you lose around 2 inches at the bottom. So I just want to do something like this while holding shift to keep the quality. Something like this guys, you know. And then for this, I'll just take this layer and size it down a bit, because we don't need all of this. Like so, and maybe even like this. So it's just going to start at the bottom. So this would be my image. Remove the background as so, just by clicking this little thing right here. And after that, you can do File, Save As, a PNG, Desktop, and you can name your sheet whatever you like. Test. And then we'll save. OK. Close off with the little thing right here. Open up your Acro Rip software. Go File, Open. What did you name the file? In my case, it was test.png. Enter or open. After you've opened the file, this is how it's going to look. You can now mirror your image. Same settings as before. Like I said, I made a full-on course going in depth. File, print. Color copy white. Copy white, and you're ready to print. As I said, guys, I go really quickly in this video just to show you, but I made a full-on course on properly how to do it. But this was basically how to take an image from your telephone or an email or Google Drive, whatever type of image you want, and print it out. It's really, really easy once you get the hang of it. Just make sure you convert your image to a PNG, and just rewind the video, guys. I made it really quick and easy, and I didn't want it to take too much of your time, so you can just rewatch this video how many times you need. And if ever you have any further questions, guys, make sure to leave a like, comment down below, and obviously subscribe if you're new, because I'll be dropping pretty much daily videos on the printing industry and how to make your life a bit more easier, because I know how you feel. This was Dom from Whole Printing Inc. Make a print you'll never forget.